Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing fine. And right now I am at Pune, and today I have come to visit a friend at a very nice property called Lodha Belmondo. So this property is so nice that I thought I must share my experience with all of you. And this is a 100-acre luxury riverside resort with 90 acres of free greens, and also it has a 50-acre golf course. So it has a 50,000 square feet clubhouse, and with different types of games like basketball, tennis court and swimming pool. You can also enjoy a riverside walk here. So many people have bought a weekend retreat here, and many of them are actually settled here. There are different types of houses, villas, weekend houses which you can actually buy or rent and enjoy a weekend here. So this place is actually very nice, away from the city, somewhere near Pune Mumbai expressway, and has a river flowing by, and you can enjoy fishing and boating, and also riverside walks, golfing, and enjoy the different activities at the clubhouse. So let me take you there and show you this property properly, and I hope you'll enjoy it. So let me show you the view from the balcony. So you can see the villas out there, parking space, and high-rise buildings, and so much open space at my back. You can see nice breeze coming, and it looks really beautiful. And you can see the small hills at the background. तो चलिए अब नीचे चलते हैं और देखते हैं हाउ दिस प्रॉपर्टी इज. So we are out, and basically these are the villas, and I'll show you more of the property as we go ahead. So my friend is staying in this building, and this is 3 BHK with a servant quarter. So it's quite a big house, and right now we are going to see the different houses here. They have the golf course, and you can see the wind. It's actually very nice here. Two-story villas. This is the smaller clubhouse which belongs to the reserve, and they have a gym and a swimming pool. So this is the kids play area with the natural surrounding and a sand pit. So this part of Lodha Belmondo is called the reserve, and this is clubhouse belongs to the reserve. So those who live in the reserve, they come and use this clubhouse, and there is also a bigger clubhouse here. So we'll go there also. Right now we are going to the golf course. This is a vegetable farm here, and most of the vegetables that go into the clubhouse come from here only. This is the 9-hole golf course designed by Greg Norman. So this is how the golf course with the background of the buildings of Lodha Belmondo looks like, and a beautiful golf course. also have horses for horse riding here. So the guests who come here have to pre-book, and we have another horse here. So this is the place meant for the horses. So here you can come for horse riding also. You just have to fill a form and then pre-book your horse ride and go for horse riding. So right now I'll take you to the river jetty. This property is near the Pavana river, and they have place for फिशिंग एंड बोटिंग. सो अब मैं आपको लेके जा रही हूँ जहाँ पे फिशिंग होती है. So you can come here for a boat ride also. There's a water body here. It's looking so beautiful from here, the water body, I must say. So this place is so beautiful, the best place for walking, golfing, and I must say a weekend retreat, or if you want to settle down, I think you can easily settle down. I'm falling in love with this place. Happiness is a long walk with the putter. This looks so beautiful. While I'm walking, I'm crossing the different holes and the different difficulty levels, the sand pit, the water body, and there's a walking track which is on the side of the golf course, and we are passing through the golf course, and I can see so many people walking here, so many people going for a walk. And that's another sand pit. Imagine living in a place like this beside a golf course. So this is a football ground, and they also have a cricket pitch here, and you can see kids enjoying cricket here. So this is a Barbeque Arena, and they actually decorate it so well at night, and you can set up a barbecue here, sit and enjoy with your friends. Amphitheater. So there's a center stage there, and place to sit. So this is the place you go for boating. at my back is the boating jetty, and I just showed you the boating jetty, but we are not going for boating. And you can come here on a weekday or a weekend and enjoy the boating. And यहाँ से you can see the full golf course. Sit out where you can sit and enjoy the view of the golf course. So that's the view of the golf course you get from here. Before it's dark, I want to show you the clubhouse. तो चलिए चलते clubhouse. 2 BHKs, 1 BHKs and studio apartments for as weekend homes. Many people own them as weekend homes. So right now we are going to the temple, and I'll show you the temple here. So there's a party going on in the clubhouse. So this is the clubhouse. So this is a coffee shop, a small library here. The swimming pool. So they also have a gym. They do have a kids play area here and a small pool there. So these are the villas facing the golf course, and these buildings are also facing the golf course. So I hope you enjoyed this tour of Lodha Belmondo, and right now we're going back to our house, and I'm going to enjoy a quiet evening with friends. So I hope you enjoyed this tour of Lodha Belmondo, and like me, you might also be planning to settle down here. But this place is really beautiful, and till we meet again with another vlog, stay smiling, keep enjoying life and keep safe.